Alright, so welcome back to Pinoyscreencast. I'm Arnavino, and today we are taking a closer look at the Playground's PBS 100, which is a 2500 mAh Powerbank Bluetooth speaker. Build and design is a combination of black and silver color accent. In front is the glossy texture speaker grille with the Playground logo at the bottom right corner. While looking at the top is the three physical buttons, starting with the previous and next button. Then above it is the charging button, LED indicator for the Bluetooth, and the Bluetooth button at the same time, which is also a play and pause button. Located in the corner is the LED indicator and the volume wheel, and on the right side located are all the ports. It also comes with a micro USB port for charging, pinhole mic for the hands-free voice and call, and the on and off toggle switch. Since this is a Powerbank Bluetooth speaker, you will see a USB port for charging any of your devices. Then in case you want to use it for MP3 devices, you can plug it in the 3.5mm jack auxiliary port. The PBS 100 will work for both Android and iOS devices out of the box. Pairing the device is very easy. Just hold the Bluetooth button for 5 seconds and you will hear a tone that indicates it's ready for pairing. After that, open your device Bluetooth connection and the PBS 100 will show up. Once paired, you can now play any music or videos on your device. So to compare the device, here is the actual sound quality of the PBS 100.
I could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kind of bad, kind of good, kind of everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kind of wrong, kind of right, kind of anything, and I would change it if I could. I swear I'm hitting the floor. I could swear that my stomach just sunk a meter. I'll be dead if I take any more.
Overall, the sound quality of the PBS 100 is loud, but more on the vocal side. Bass is a bit low and overwhelmed by the mids and high, but for its price of $1,490, I would still recommend it. Max volume is pretty loud, plus the power bank and the hands-free functionality is a great addition to this device. And that's it for the Playground PBS 100 power bank Bluetooth speaker. Stay tuned for the PBS 200 video, which is the upgraded version of this device. So if you have any feedbacks, questions, and suggestions, feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. As always, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button there at the bottom of this video. And as always, don't forget to hit that like and share button. Once again, I'm Arnavino, Pinoyscreencast.net. See you on my next video.